huge size of 17.2 centimeter and a 120 Hz refresh rate with up to 1.07 billion colors. It also has a 50 megapixel front camera, night portrait with aura light, and a 50 megapixel primary camera with exceptional quality, which lets you take mesmerizing photographs by dependably capturing precise colorful details. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor and comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM for